Good evening, friends. Today we will be discussing an interesting topic, that is Gini impurity. If you will check what is Gini impurity, the Gini impurity tells the impurity level in a particular node in a decision tree. Now, what does a Gini impurity tells? Suppose I pick a x random point and I assign it a randomly a class 1. So what is the probability that this will be wrong? Okay, so you must be understood. But what the Gini impurity tells. Now, suppose that if we are having a data set, in that only one type of data is present. So, in such case, the impurity level will be 0 because all the data set is only 1. So, our Gini impurity level will be 1, and that in case of the trees, we call these as node, and this node will be considered as pure node. And suppose there is another node which is having some part of one data point and some other part of another data point, then what will happen? It will be considered as a impure node, and its Gini impurity will be greater than 0. Okay, now let me tell you the formula for our Gini impurity. The formula for the Gini impurity will be 1 minus summation I is equal to 1 till n, and p of I, where n is the number of data points in that particular node, and p I've already told you this is nothing but the proportion. Proportion means what? Suppose we are having 3 and 2, take a total 5 data points, out of which 3 is positive data point, 2 is negative data point, negative data points. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 will be the proportion of these data points. Okay, now suppose I am having 7 and 3, 7 positive, 3 negative, and if I find the proportion, it will be 7 by 10, 3 by 10, 0 0.7, 0 0.3. And if I do the calculations, suppose 1 minus 0 0.7 plus 0 0.3, okay, here it will be square, otherwise it will come 0, which is wrong. 0.7 and 0.3 whole square. So on solving this, we will get some random values, and on calculating I found that it was coming out to be 0.42. Okay, so it means that impurity level is 0.42. That means this node is having some mixed data, and our Gini impurity ranges between 0 to 0.5, and it will be maximum, it will be maximum for its value 0.5 when the two proportions are equal in the node. If I show you that in a graph, then it will be something like this. Suppose here is my Gini impurity, here is my proportions p plus p minus, and suppose that they are present at a 0.5 only, and the graph will be going like this. It will reach its peak value at this 0.5, and the maximum value for the Gini impurity is 0.5. So I have told you the two methods that how can you check the impurity in a node. That is, first is Gini impurity, and the second one which I told you is entropy. Thank you.